Repair ODF files with SysInfoTools OpenOffice Math Recovery software. Error reading file. Windows cannot open this file. Generally, these errors are signs of damaged or corrupted ODF files. So, in this video we will describe how you can recover severely corrupted ODF file of OpenOffice Math program very easily. What are ODF files? OpenOffice Math is a formula and equation editor used to create complex equations including symbols or characters not available in standard font sets. It is used to create formulas in other documents like Writer and Impress files. If your OpenOffice files are corrupt, you just can't open or access them unless you repair them. There are various reasons which may cause corruption in OpenOffice files. The most common reasons for corruption are virus infection, bugs attack, storage media failure, sudden system shutdown, software malfunction, forceful cancellation of OpenOffice program. With the SysInfo OpenOffice Math Recovery Tool, you can repair and restore highly corrupt ODF files of OpenOffice Math program in a single click. The tool is widely used and is trusted by professionals. It repairs, rebuilds, and recovers data such as formulae, equations, text formatting, page orientation, page layout, Unicode characters and other data that exists in ODF files. Exclusive features of the tool are: the tool supports batch conversion, hence, a user can recover corrupted ODF files in bulk at the same time. It repairs and recovers inaccessible data without affecting the originality of data. It recovers unreadable data including formulae, numbers, calculations, charts etc. from corrupt ODF files. A user can remove a selected corrupt ODF file from list control that is not required to be repaired via this tool. Preview option. With this feature a user can see preview of the recovered data. It is highly user-friendly and compatible with all main versions of Windows. Highly user-friendly, anyone can use this tool, no technical knowledge is required. Working of the tool. Download and install the tool. We have given the download in the description. Click on Select Files button and select the ODF files. Then click on the Repair Files button to start the repairing process. Now click on Browse button and select the location where you want to save the file. Finally click on Save button. Once the saving process gets completed, click OK. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments, and we hope you enjoyed the video.
Thank you for watching the video. For more such updates, subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.